Hello everyone, my name is Fernando and I'm welcoming you to the tutorial on the custom escape games. We are in a normal facilitator area of GamingR.net. I'm on the dashboard and now all you have to do is to go to custom. So that's the first thing you want to do. Our custom escape games are in this custom area. So not GamingRs and not simulations, custom, okay? Under custom you'll find 4 games here. One of them is customizable escape games. And what you want to do first of all is to subscribe. The subscription, there's a free trial for 1 month and you just need to click on that button for free trial and there you go. In 24 hours you'll get a response from us and your custom escape games will be released. So when So once you have full access, you can click on full access and you have you can explore all the materials from the delivery materials and the marketing materials of customizable escape games. Now to launch a customizable escape game, you don't do it on GamingR, neither simulations, you do it on custom. Okay, always remember it's on custom. That's where you will find it. Okay, so custom, you do it the same way, but you select custom. Now you select custom escape. You select your language, your facilitator, date, and as you know, this is for your internal information, but you need to do all this, including the expected number of participants, although you already know, like in all our GamingRs, the expected number of participants is not how we deduct credits. We deduct credits only on real people that sign up for your activity, participate on your activity. So just let's create this and add the GamingR. Once you add the GamingR, so it's the same thing as any other GamingR. You click on play to go for the facilitator side, and to enter the facilitator side, use your email. So the email of the facilitator that created that particular GamingR, and you'll have your dashboard. Now the dashboard, it's only different from the other escape games ready to use that we have, Escape the Tomb and Escape the Jungle, because of this number one step on your dashboard, which is assign escape game. So this is the only difference. It's only this button. Everything else is the same thing as any other of our escape games. So when you go to assign escape game, you have 3 selections, 3 possible selections. The last one, let me start with the last one on the right, says select from existing escape game. So if you are everything is ready, you have your escape games, your custom escape game prepared, you just come here and you select from the list that you have. You select your custom escape game. In my case, I have 2 escape games that I already created. Okay, so I can select from the list. If I select Living on Mars, which is also available to you because we include it as by default, so everyone has access. You select Living on Mars, and here you go back to the dashboard, and here is your selection. You are playing Living on Mars. Now you can manage teams and start the game as you want. Okay. Now, if you want to create your own, that's a different button. So if you want to create your own, you have 2 other buttons. One is set up a new escape game and the other one is puzzle room, create or edit a puzzle room. As you know, every escape game is composed by several puzzle rooms. Okay, so everything starts with the puzzle room. You can have up to 10 puzzle rooms per escape game, but you can do as many puzzle rooms as you want. Okay, so that's where you want to start. You want to start with a puzzle room. So let's create. You can, of course, you'll find the ones that you already have created here by default. I have a few. One important note here is that everything that you create, puzzles, puzzle rooms, or escape games, of course, they are only available for you and the facilitators attached to your account. So they will not be available for any other users. Okay? They completely, your data, your IP is completely protected. Right? Unless you want to give it to someone else, and that's a different story. There is a system in place to do that, which I'm not going to explain now, but there is that possibility that you create an escape game and you sell it or share it with other users. Okay. Now everything that you create here it will only be available to your account. So the first thing you have to do for creating a puzzle room is select the name. Okay, so let's say this is testing. Now the solution, that's the second thing, the solution. The solution could be a word, solution, or could be a word with letters, or could be a sentence, solution of escape game. Okay, could be a sentence. Of course, if you put a sentence, then it's more complicated because they need to figure out the spaces and all that. But of course, you can give that as a hint as well. So it's free for you to, you can use letters, you can use characters, or you can use spaces as well. Now, the solution is not case sensitive. So if you say solution, this is correct. But if you write solution, this is also correct. Okay, this will be also correct. Now there are a few elements, visual elements for the escape game. There is actually mainly 4. So you have the background, you have the intro, you have the clue, and you'll have the hints. Okay, the hints can be up to 3. But so the background of the puzzle, the background image, the intro, the clue, and the hints. Let me show you in a real escape game how does that show. So this is the intro of the whole escape game, but once the user goes in the escape game, this is what this is. So everything that you see in the background, this is the background. Okay, so in this case, we used the background image to place some clues as well. So actually, the 3 clues are coming as part of the image on the background. One of the things that you should be careful is because of the bars here, in the bottom and on the top, that you should put, if you have text on your background, put it in the middle so that it doesn't interfere. Okay. Now you'll see this icon on the left called introduction. So this, if any user clicks here, it opens an image which is the introduction to that specific puzzle. Okay. If then there is another icon that says clue. So if he clicks there, it opens another icon that it's called clue, and that's another image. Okay, so that's the third element. And then, as you see on the bottom, like in all our escape games, there is an icon for the hints, and the hints, they have a cost. So if any participant click on the hint, you will see that it will cost them 2 minutes, either accept or decline. If I accept, it will open the hint, and it's another image, and 2 minutes were added as a penalty to my timer. Okay, so those are the elements, the visual elements that are part of the custom escape game. So what you need to do is upload them. Just prepare it before, of course. You can prepare it in PowerPoint and like in specific sizes. Remember that the background should be this pixel size. Then the intro, you can either select if you're going to use a video or an image or PDF. Okay, you can choose. If you select an image, then this is the size. Just always say here. We also have templates on the resources for you, so you can go to the templates and you'll have the right sizes. Or you can actually choose a video, and you can place the link of the video here, and the video will be embedded in the screen. Okay, they can see that it's not a link to YouTube. They will see it directly on the screen. For the clue, you upload here your images. Okay, and for the hints, the same thing. Okay? You can add up to 3 hints, but you don't need to upload 3 hints. You can upload only 1 if you want, or 2. All right, and then you create the puzzle here. If you create the puzzle, and you can create the puzzle even if you don't upload everything. You see, I have here now the puzzle testing, and if I click view or edit, I will see that is still incomplete. So the background is missing, the intro image is missing, the clue is missing, and the hints are missing. So I can always go back and complete uploading my puzzle. But I have now created the puzzle testing. I can also delete it free here easily. Okay, so now let's say I created 5 puzzles, and I'm ready to create an escape game. And I will create this escape game, set up a new escape game. This is where I want to click. And I will add a new one. So new escape. So I save, and now I have a new escape here on the right side, sorry. So I click on customize, and I will add a few more elements. So the first element is the name of the escape game. So I'll stick with new escape. Then the welcome content. The welcome content can be, again, image or PDF. So you remember the introduction when, all your participants, before you start the game, they will see a kind of introduction and a welcome. It could be, again, a video, or it could be an image. And you will upload it here. Okay? Now you have the escape background image. This is the background for the welcoming. So before the participants actually enter the first puzzle room, they will also be somewhere, and a background image is required. Okay, so a background image is uploaded here. Then you have the success image. That's an image that will show every time they enter the correct solution. So when they enter the correct solution, they will see something. Let me show you that. So for instance, here the solution is life on Mars, and they see this was not the correct solution. So now you see the incorrect image. The correct image is life on Mars, I believe. Yes, well done. Okay, so you upload both the correct and the unsuccessful attempt image and the final success image. So this is the image that the participants will see once the gaming hour is, or once they go through all the puzzles and they finish successfully the puzzle. So they will have another image that you can also upload here. Then once you do that, you now load or feed your escape game with puzzles. So here will be all the puzzles that you have, and by just clicking, if I put Mars 4, click on Mars 4. Now Mars 4 is my first puzzle. If I click on testing, now testing will be my second puzzle. And I can even reorder them just by dragging and dropping. Okay, very easily I can add puzzles like this. So I'm creating a 4 puzzle escape game, and I can reorder the puzzles, and that's it. And I'm done. I go back. Now once I go back, I will have my new escape game with 4 puzzle rooms, and I can go there and edit it again. Okay, very easy. So if you go back to select the existing escape game, remember that I selected Life on Mars, and now I don't want to play that one. I want to play the new one, which is the new escape. So I select the new escape, and it's done. And now on my dashboard, my new escape is here. Now I just need to wait for my users, and once the users are in, I can go and play. Okay, thank you for listening. Anything that you need, always remember that you have the Train the Trainer sessions. They're scheduled here. So if you look, you can find the custom escape probably towards the end. No. You can find the custom escape. Oh, it's the first one. So you can find the customizable escape game here. Just click on register, and it will take you to Eventbrite, and it's free. You're very welcome. Select a date that is convenient for you and join us in the Train the Trainer session. Okay, if you want to try it on your own, feel free to try it on your own. You can. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.